Morning everybody. In today's session you're going to master XAMPP in deep. But the first time, just open your browser. After opening your browser, just type the localhost so as to go in your XAMPP in order to create the database and its table. And this is how the XAMPP would look like. This dashboard, as you see, the applications, the FQs, as you see, and the application of some application that's found in the XAMPP. Also, as you see, the frequency asked question, you can see some details in XAMPP in deep, as you see. Also, you have that app, that's a how to that's guiding that can direct you on XAMPP. You can master more and more XAMPPs, and this is PHP info. As you can see, this is a PHP info. More details about the PHP you can get in this tab. Likewise, as you see, there's many information about this PHP. Also, we have another tabs, as you see. Let us scroll it more and more. This is a configuration as about the Apache. This is a log server. As you see, the Apache environment. Okay, you see the more information about the PHP. As if you want to know more about PHP, just you can see. Well, let's go back. Now you can see the next tabs. As you see, okay, now okay, as you see, this is a PHP info. Let's just see the PHP admin. That's well. And here we have in PHP my admin, and here's the way just you can create your database, you can create your table, you can set your data, you can delete your data, you can make any modification about your data. And the only way just to create your database, you're just using the SQL, structured query language. And here's the way you're just going to create the database. So let's create our database called the level 1. The syntax you use, as you see, create, then you create what? Just create the name of your database. Just create database, then name. The name of the database will be the level 1, and the name of my database will be level 1, as you see. Okay, no, level 1, this is level. After end up, just terminate. Then after writing your program, that's your SQL syntax to create the database. Just go. As you see, wow, the database created successful. As you see at the left side panel, as you see the name of your database, the name of your database called the level 1, as you see, level 1. And this is how to create the database. Now, after creating the database, let's go to create the table of our database. Now, as you see, this is a syntax of how to create the database name. As you see, database name. Wow. As you see, the name of your table, Now we insert the data in your table. And your table have some attributes. That's ID, name, as you see, the level, TB, the name of a table. And this, as you see, the attribute is ID, name, gender, and age. And this is how to create the table. Now, let's go to see how to just insert data in our created table. Now see some syntax of how to insert data at the table. Now we use insert into, then the table name, my table name will be the level TB, and then you specify the column wise, as you see, the ID, name, gender, and age. Now we're going to specify the values. The ID will be 1. So the name will be just, this is the string, make sure you put in the quotation, it can be double or single quotation mark. Now as you see, the name of the first person will be the Juma. You see the Juma Bakari, this will be the first name, can be entered, that's Juma Bakari. As well as you have gender, this will be a male. Will be the male, specify the gender of that boy, will be the male. As also just going to specify the age of this boy. Age will be this integer, so an integer you just write that is that will be 20 years old. Now after make sure your syntax clear, no error. Now just click go to create or to insert this values in our created table name called the level underscore tb. Now everything is clear, as you see, no problem. ID will be the ID 1, name will be the Juma Bakar, gender will be the males, and the age will be the 20. Make sure you arrange as is. Now click go. As you see, okay, one row affected. As you see, we are successful inserted the values in our table. As you see now, ID 1, name will be Juma Bakar, and gender as males, as age 20. Now this is how to insert the data in your created database. So let I insert more and more details in this table. Let I just copy and paste, just editing some syntax. This will be the another name, this will be the 21 age, this will be the female. Just copy and paste, just editing some values, and this will be the females, and will be the we say with the surname can be John, the first name going to be as you see Husna John. The name will be Husna John, and the ID will be ID 3. Now click go to insert this name. Let's add more details about this information that you were inserted before. As you see, just copy and paste and edit some values, and this will be the another person, it will be 25 years, and also this will be the females. Let's edit the name of will be the as you see, this name will be, as you see, we add up this name, and the ID will be a D4. Wow, as you see, now everything is clear. Now as you see, let's go in your table to see in your browser to see how the tables look like. Oh, very nice. As you see, each and everything look nice. We have 4 inserted item, and this is how it look like. So let I try to make a modification to change this name of the first name. Click edit, just go in attribute name, just change the name of Juma Bakari. Instead of Juma Bakari, it will be Juma Rashid. This is how to edit the name. As we see now, we insert Juma, it will be the Juma Rashid. This is how to edit the names in our XAMPP. This is step to how to edit the name in your XAMPP. As you see now, this is Rashid. Now after end up, just click go to edit. As you see now, the first row, as you see, the name is Juma Rashid instead of Juma Bakar. This is how to make update. Now look how to delete some value in your table. So to click to delete value in your table, just click delete. As you see now, you ask, do you want really to want to execute this query? If yes, as this will be disappeared in the table. Okay, now click OK. Now as you see, wow, row number 4 now is empty, nothing is found from there. As you see, this is how to delete the item on the table. As you see, everything now is clear. Okay, now thanks for watching EDakho TV.